Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Open, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, extending one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located somewhere on the phone. Now it looks like we do need to take off the case. Still haven't found it. There we go. So it's on the side where you have the cameras at the bottom of the phone. And you can see the tray right over here. So using the little insert area that is part of that cutout of the tray, insert your tool and then push it in. Just to kind of showcase this, you can see once you push it in, the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards, so one on either side, and you can occupy both of these trays or just one. Now if you're planning to use one, it doesn't matter which one. From there, insert the tray back into your device. Now before you do so, do make sure that the card is clipped in place, just to showcase this quickly. So the card should be laying flush on the tray and should not be falling out of the tray. So make sure you clip it in correctly. And anyway, once you insert the card back into your device, it should start working right away. So there we go. It just popped in with the enter pin for SIM. So I'm gonna, whoa, stop zooming in. There we go. So once I insert my pin for the SIM card, this unlocks it and obviously connects to network, mobile network, and that's it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.